What's up, YouTube? Checking out the frequent flyer. It's very windy out here. That's better than the weather we've been having as of lately. It's been very rainy, bad weather. So I'll take it, the wind. Oh, and the sun just came out. Pretty awesome. But right now I'm out here with the Dragon drone, TR-D4 from Top Race. And we're gonna check this thing out. Got a few new things from Top Race. And I have the stock transmitter. This thing, if you remember from the unboxing, I was saying that this thing looks a hell of a lot like the WL Toys V252. And I have hovered it and flown it around indoors a little bit, and it does fly. It seems like it flies just like the WL Toys V252, which is a good thing because that thing is a great flyer. But this thing has a cage on it, a prop guard, and it looks like it can be removed, but I think I'll just cut it off. But I wanted to at least get a flight out with it, with this on it. This does work really well indoors as of protecting from the ceiling, protected from bumps and all. I guess you can eventually smash it, but it held up pretty well with the tests that I've done, bumping it into walls and stuff like that. It does come with a second prop guard too, which is the more traditional type that can be removed more easily. But I think I'm just going to cut this one off because it looks like it leaves some space in between the frame there if you remove it the way that you're supposed to remove prop guards. If you just loosen the frame and take it out, it looks like there'll be a space there. So I think I'd rather just cut it there. But let's get this flight out. Check it out. There are 3 rates on it, and it's deviated as well. So it's on a Bayang Toys protocol. So let's check it out. We're on low rates now, and the wind's taking it, so we can't fly out here on low rates right now because of how windy it is. So we're on the 3rd rate right now. Let's look at aileron on the 3rd rate. So pretty decent aileron. Forward pitch. Pretty nice flyer even with the prop guard on it. And with deviation, the pitch and roll gets even deeper. So let's look at the yaw rate though. The yaw rate is a little on the slow side, but the pitch helps it out a lot. So it's the same way that the WL Toys V252 was. The yaw rate wasn't very fast, but the pitch was pretty decent, and that helps. Makes it a really nice flyer. So I'm pretty sure it would be flying faster if I did have a chance to cut the prop guard off it. Pretty sure that it'll be a faster, more nimble quad. As you can see, this thing flies awesome. Range seems to be decent. And it's a nice quiet flyer too. Has that classic sound that the WL Toys V252 had. So let's check out a flip from it. It flips pretty nice, even with the prop guards on it. Really wish I can show the low rates on it right now, but it's so windy out here. Still a nice day as far as the temperature though. One downside to this is it's not really a night flyer because there are only lights in the front of it. The eyes light up and there's no other lights on it at all. So not a night flyer at all. Once you're flying away from yourself, you won't see this thing at all. So let's get a close-up of it. Check it out. Oh, another thing about this, it flips, it continues to flip even when it's in LVC. So that's, you can't really feel it out to see if it's close to LVC by looking at the flips, because it'll flip even when it's in LVC. Wow, and check that out, there's a hawk or some type of bird of prey up there flying, soaring around. You guys can see that. That's pretty awesome. Oh, let's come down. I don't want him to attack it. And it's really windy up there too. I feel like the wind is trying to blow me away. So really nice flyer, even in all this wind, with the prop guards on it too. So I can just imagine how well it's going to fly once I remove the prop guards. So really happy about this one here. So many obstacles out here to avoid them, avoiding trees and flying past gates and boxes and everything, stacks. All while this wind is blowing ferociously, and we have prop guards on this thing. Let's do some more flips. I think it might be an LVC because it's feeling a little sluggish. Can't really tell if the lights in the front are blinking. Let's see if we can look at the front of it. Still can't really tell. I guess we'll know when this thing goes down. It's not far from it though, because I'm kicking it up to full throttle. And it's not really going up that fast. So I'm pretty certain that it's an LVC, but check it out, it'll still flip. This thing flips to the end. And it seems like it's going down, and it's going down. So I can't lift it anymore. That's it. Pretty awesome little flyer here. It's the Top Race Dragon Drone TR-D4. Thanks for watching.